update in Animal Company. I just tried to do a Yeeps update video since I've been gone for 6 days. Well, by the time I'm recording this, yo, what the, dude? Okay, since I've been gone by 6 days when I'm recording this, I missed out on the Yeeps update and all the Buckhorn sessions. The Easter Buckhorn sessions are gone, and
Sure?
oh God, no.
I'm kidding.
Oh no, there's no way. No way. This is available or wait a second. Oh, I need all these. And also need the today I don't feel like anything. What is happening? What? Okay, I need to go into a no PvP. Why do I feel different? Like my hands feel different. I think I'm dripping.
Oh, I need that transported into a backpack.
No, we need someone with a rare item. Yo, who wants to do a flash off? You, Red. Can we do a
Cardboard
flash
box.
Can I do a flash
What
off
the?
for you?
Okay.
They're gonna throw your item.
Oh, I'm gonna be back at like the 20s. I don't think I bought research coins. I'm not like that. I'm just grind, stupid butthole.
Who wants to guess which backpack had the galaxy board?
Probably shouldn't get these two, and then get up, get cardboard box. What am I gonna do with a card? Oh, you can put items in it. I think so. So I gotta get rid of some of my cardboard boxes because I don't need them since they're not rare any more. Oh, yeah, I'm cooked. Someone help. Please. Oh. Okay, I have it. Chip Folia. The update is so. Draw.
Wait, who's the person that wanted me?
Bam! What is this? What the? Yo. What was that? Well, I got everything here, so. Let's go back and see what this little thing is. Oh.
I'm at stage. Does anybody want to put the sticky dynamite on my hand?
Is there like strings in here? Stop. My ears! Oh, this is their old music. Don't have to put your stupid little music back. And I'm kidding. Huh? Where am I?
You want to transfer 2 items
Watch this. Oh, insane parkour. Oh. Hey, buddy. You better chill. Great. What's a light source? Not a stab.
Wait, that's actually a good idea.
I think I'm in sewers. Yeah, I was in sewers, I think. Yeah, I was definitely in sewers. I gotta make a video on whatever it's called there. What's it called? I'll play Gorilla Tag, because apparently there's something in there. And if I die once and I don't see a different monster, that means there's nothing new. Like, I mean, there's probably cosmetics. I mean, there is, but and there's like a whole new fit thing. Wonder what that is. Oh, that thing freaking scared me.
Guys, I'm Boxman.
my god. I don't need these. Where am I? Oh, okay. What is this? Like, what do I do? Do I supposed to beat things up with my face? This is so weird. Mr. Fox 86, if you know how to like hack my channel and then edit my things, do that. If you guys don't know who I'm talking about that purple Jeep / Mr. Black Jeep. And now, his name frickin' Mr. Fox 86. Why do you always change your name? Stop! Like, I don't like it. Stop it! Stop! Yeah, what am I supposed to do? Like, this game's just like blatant sorcery. It's puzzles which you never figure out. Oh no, please! Oh, haha, you're sinking!
Everybody!
Can someone tell me what the update is? It's like nothing. I know it is.
No, you go in there to see the new map.
Okay.
Hang on.
You can have that if you want.
Hold on.
Since they're not rare anymore. Sad.
Hey!
I used to have the Galaxy
That's a free grappler even though I own them. And I just don't want to pay for money even though I have money talks.
What is that? Over.
Bro, I have 7 million, buddy. You're not the only
Oh
one.
no, I mean I have 6 million. You're richer than me. You're my king now. Dang it! I found someone who's richer than me once. That's crazy. But anyways, that's the end of it. Wow. Bam! What am I doing?